Have you ever felt like cleaning your house is a never-ending battle? Well, let me tell you how I discovered a robot that literally changed my life. Today I'm talking about the Roborock Saros 10 robot vacuum. And here's a spoiler. If you're tired of wasting time vacuuming and mopping, this little ally might just be your best investment. And hey, don't forget, check the description and the first comment for the full article, with detailed comparisons and pro tips to get the most out of it. The first thing that hooked me about the Roborock Saros 10 is that it's not just another robot vacuum. Nope, this one is both a vacuum and a smart mop. What does that mean? While you're sipping your coffee, it's vacuuming dust, picking up pet hair, and mopping the floor with a precision I could never achieve manually. And it does it all quietly, which I love because I can keep working from home without feeling like I have a noisy vacuum next to me. Now let me be real with you. My first unit actually came defective, which was a bit of a letdown. But here's where my real experience with the brand shines. Customer service, especially a rep named Anna, was outstanding. Professional, quick, super clear. She arranged the replacement without any hassle, and soon enough I had a brand new Saros 10 running in my house. That peace of mind, knowing they've got your back, is priceless. So how does it actually clean? Well, I came from a more basic model, and the jump has been huge. The suction power is impressive. It grabs large crumbs, fine dust, even my dog's hair, without me needing to go back over anything. And when it switches to mopping mode, it uses clean water with a self-drying mop system that prevents odors and bacteria. If it detects an area that needs more scrubbing, like the kitchen, it goes over it twice before moving on. Now that's smart cleaning. Another huge plus is the AI-powered smart navigation. The robot maps out the house in minutes, avoids obstacles like shoes, cables, or toys, and even gets into corners I thought it could never reach. In my bathroom, for example, it climbs the small threshold without an issue, something my old robot never managed. And best part? If it needs to recharge mid-cleaning, it goes right back to the exact spot where it left off. That kind of continuity is pure gold. The Roborock app deserves its own spotlight. From my phone, I can schedule cleanings, pick which room gets priority, or even choose suction power and mopping level depending on the type of floor. And yes, the battery is another standout. It cleans my entire home on a single charge, faster than I expected. As someone who lives with pets, I love how simple the maintenance is. I just fill the clean water tank and empty the dirty one every so often. That's it. No complicated dismantling. And trust me, if you've got cats or dogs, this robot is a lifesaver. No more fur tumbleweeds rolling across the house. I'll admit it's not cheap, but honestly, I see it as an investment rather than an expense. Why? Because it gives me back my time. Time I used to spend cleaning, I now spend with my family, working, or simply relaxing. And that time is worth far more than money. So to sum it up, the Roborock Saros 10 robot vacuum combines powerful suction, smart mopping, long-lasting battery, advanced app control, and a sleek design that fits into any modern home. For me, it's been a total game changer. If you want a spotless home without the hassle, I highly recommend giving it a try. And remember, the link is in the description and the first comment, with the full article, model comparisons, and best deals. If you're on the fence, trust me, it's worth it.